Yes, class, good morning. Today we'll discuss here a new topic, transpose of the matrix. Your exercise 3.1, 3.2 has been completed. Order of the matrix, element of the matrix, types of the matrix, and operation of the matrix. These topics have been completed. Today we'll discuss here transpose of the matrix. What is the transpose of the matrix? Suppose any matrix given you, then you are interchanging row and column. Suppose you are interchanging row and column of the any matrix, then you get the transpose of the matrix. Yes, now look here. So suppose topic you're heading at transpose of the matrix. Transpose of the matrix. Suppose a matrix A equal to Ij having the m into an order. Suppose a matrix given A equal to Ij, m into an order, then the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of a is called the transpose of A. Suppose a matrix A, column of A means a matrix in this matrix, regarding of this matrix. A means regarding of the matrix. Suppose a matrix A, then the matrix obtained by interchanging row and column of A is called the transpose of the matrix. For example, suppose you have any matrix here 1, 4, 0, 5, 6, 7, 3, 2, 1. In this type any matrix here. And then you will transpose interchanging the row and column here, then you will call it transpose of the matrix. Then you will call here transpose of the matrix 1, 4, 0, 5, 6, 7, 3, 2, 1. A transpose of the matrix represented by the T, otherwise in this symbol. So suppose you are using this symbol, transpose of the matrix, this symbol here, transpose of the matrix. Then you will get the answer. This row convert to column 140, first row convert first column, second row 5, 6, 7, second row convert second column, and 3, 2, 1, third row convert in third column. So this is the name of the transpose of the matrix. And transpose of the matrix, suppose any matrix are given, the transpose of the matrix represents this sign, otherwise this sign. So this is symbol of the transpose of the matrix. According to this one is the example of your transpose of the matrix. That this matrix are given and you are transposing the matrix means interchanging row and column. Interchanging row and columns. First row convert to first column, second row convert in second column, third row convert in third column. And then you can tell here this is the transpose of the matrix. Yes, note down it, then next. Yes, student, you understand this, what is the transpose of the matrix? Then after that we will discuss here the properties of the transpose of the matrix. What is the properties of transpose of the matrix? Now look here. First of all, properties of matrix. Property of transpose of the matrix. The first property here, suppose you are finding the double transpose of any matrix, then you get the original matrix. Hence, first property are, is suppose you are already getting the transpose of the matrix, and you are again find out the transpose of this matrix, so then you will get the original matrix. Second property are, is suppose Ka. Suppose here is K any scalar number here, K any scalar number here, and A any matrix here, then you can tell the K A dash, K A dash. Scalar number not having any transpose. Third property are, is suppose two matrices in product form, and then you are finding the transpose of this, so then you will find it A B transpose A transpose. When you write the AB, then you write the BA. Suppose you write BA transpose, then we write here A transpose B transpose. And fourth property is suppose any two matrix having here an operation form A plus B, then you can get here B transpose plus A transpose. Yeah, so in this no problem, this is A transpose plus B transpose, this is not matter. Yeah, you can write here B transpose plus A transpose, this is not matter. So in these properties of the transpose of the matrix, you note down it. Then next first part. Here student, next topic I am taking here symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. What is the symmetric matrix? What is the skew symmetric matrix? And now discuss here. First of all, symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. What is the symmetric matrix here? A square matrix. A square matrix is a square matrix A equal to Ij is said to be, a square matrix is said to be symmetric. A square matrix A equal to Ij is said to be symmetric if A dash equal to A. If you find out, when you transpose of the any matrix, you will get this original matrix. Means a square matrix is said to be, a square matrix equal to is said to be symmetric if A dash equal to A. It means that is if Aij equal to A Ji, Aij equal to Aji, Aij equal to Aji for all possible values of I and J, for all possible value of I and J. What is the example here? First of all, example here, suppose a matrix A here given, root 3, 2, 1, 2 minus 1.5, yeah, 1, 1.5, yeah, 1, and 3 minus 1 and 1. You write any matrix here. When you find the A transpose here, you will get here first row converting row 2, 3, 2, 1. First row convert first column. Second row 2 minus 1.5 and minus 1. Second row convert second column. Third row convert third column. 3 minus 1 and 1. So this is the value of 3 here. This is not 1. This one is also 3. So this is the transpose of the matrix. When transpose of the matrix and original matrix is the same, in this time matrix is called the symmetric matrix. So you can say that A, so you can say matrix A is symmetric matrix. You can say matrix A is a symmetric matrix because A transpose equal to A. A transpose equal to A. This definition is follow here. A transpose equal to A. Then you can say that matrix A is symmetric matrix. According to this way you solve all questions. A square matrix A, suppose any order, 2 order, 3 order, 4 order, no any or any order is said to be symmetric matrix A dash equal to A, then if Aij equal to Ej, I means you know the I row and J equal to column. And Ij any row and column, I means row and J means column, convert into J into I, then for all possible value of the Ij. So this I means first row converting the first column, second row converting the second column, or third row converting the third column. So now checking you telling both their matrices here, A transpose or A, both the matrices here same. So then you can say matrix A is symmetric matrix. Yes, note down. The next part. Yes, class. Next part here skew symmetry matrix. Next topic here skew symmetry matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. So what is skew symmetry matrix? If I square matrix, same thing here. I square matrix A equal to Ij is said to be skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix if A transpose equal to minus A. If A transpose equal to minus A, then it means Aij equal to minus Aji. The sign will be changed here. Aij equal to Aji. In this condition follow, but then you can say in this type matrix is called the skew symmetry matrix. So what is the example of this skew symmetry matrix? Suppose you have here for example here. Suppose any matrix A. Suppose any matrix A here is 0 E F minus E 0 G and minus F minus Z and 0. When you find the transpose of this matrix, then A transpose equal to, check this, then we will get here first row converting the first column 0 E F, second row convert second column minus E 0 G, third row converting third column minus F minus Z and 0. After that you will taking the minus sign common. After that taking the minus sign common the whole matrix, and we will get here A transpose equal to, taking minus sign common, whole matrix, then what is there come here 0 minus E minus F plus E minus E convert plus E 0 and minus Z plus F plus Z and 0. In this form we can say A transpose equal to minus A. In this type condition is followed here, so you can say the matrix A is a skew symmetric matrix. In this condition, we can say so matrix A is said to is skew symmetric matrix. So now you check this matrix here. Euler matrix and this matrix both are the same. 0 EF, 0 EF, minus E0G, minus E0G, minus F, minus Z0, minus F, minus Z0. So both the matrices are same. It means when you are taking the minus sign common here, so A transpose equal to minus A. Then you can say the matrix A is, and you can say the matrix A is skew symmetric matrix. This is not a skew symmetric matrix. Matrix A is skew symmetric matrix because matrix A having the proper quality of features of this, the A transpose equal to A. The matrix A is a skew symmetric matrix. Just you note down the next part will solve here. Yes, student. Next, I will solve here the some problem of the exercise 3.3 to find the transpose of each of the following matrices. What is the transpose of the matrices of this? So now look here. Suppose question number first. Suppose any matrix given here 5, 1 by 2 and minus 1. Suppose you are finding the transpose of this matrix here. What is the transpose of this matrix? Then you can write 5, 1 by 2 or minus 1 or transpose of this. Then you will get the answer here. First row is first column, second row is second column, and third row is third column. This is the answer. Transpose of this matrix equal to this. Second part here also. Second part here. 1 minus 1, 2, 3. Then you can convert this first row, convert in the first column. Transpose of this matrix 1 minus 1, 2, 3. Transpose of this. Then you will get the answer here. First row converting the first column, a second row converting into second column. So this is your answer complete. First row converting the first column, a second row converting the second column. And this is in this process is called the transpose of the matrix. Just note down it the next part. Yes, student, question number second and third is the similar here. Then I will solve question number third because question number second and third is the similar. So now question number third. What things you find here? If matrix A equal to 1, 4, 3, 4 minus 1, 2 0, 1 and matrix B equal to minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Then verify that. In the first part you verify that A plus B, the whole matrix equal to A plus transpose of the matrix and transpose of the B matrix. Now check this question. So this is equation. Suppose 2 matrices, 3 matrices, 4 matrices given you. How to verify this question? Suppose you have given 2 matrices, then verify 2 matrices. Suppose you have given you the 3 matrices, then also property of the 3 matrices. There are 3 matrices. So first of all, you will find the A transpose. This is A transpose and this is the B transpose. So now. You look, this is the ordinal given, this is the not ordinal matrix, this is the transpose of the matrix and this is the ordinal matrix of the B. So first of all you will find the ordinal matrix of the A plus B. Well, what is the A plus B? When is the ordinal matrix adding the both the here. So now A transpose the whole transpose means A double transpose, then you get the original matrix of this. So 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1 transpose of this one. 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1. This is, so this is the A, this is the original matrix of the A. This is called the original matrix of the A. This is the value of the original. When you find the double transpose of the any matrix, then you get the original matrix. This is the value of the original matrix. After that, you will be adding both the matrix A plus B. So now A plus B. Now adding both the matrix A plus B are matrix A given here 3 minus 1 0 4 2 3. This is the matrix A, and plus, and this is the matrix B here minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. This is the value of the matrix A. It is clear? So this is the value of the matrix A. I am putting A plus. When you find the A plus B, the value of the matrix A and value of the matrix B from here, then you will get the result of A plus B. What is the result of the A plus B here? Your operation, addition operation applied here. 3 minus 1 is the 2, minus 1 2 is the plus 1, and 0 1 is 1. Addition property. 4 1 is 5, 2 2 plus 4, and 3 3 is 6. After that, you will find the A plus B transpose of this matrix. After that, you will find the A plus B LHS part. This is the LHS part. What is the LHS part? A plus B transpose. What is the A plus B transpose? This is the value of the A plus B matrix. The first row convert in the first column. So 2 1 1. Second row convert in the 5 4 6. So this is the LHS side. After that you will convert here A transpose plus B transpose. A transpose you have already get here first, then you get the B transpose. Now, what is the value of the B transpose? So, this is the matrix B. The first row converting the first column, minus 1 2 1 and 1 2 3. This is the value of the B transpose. After that, you will be adding this condition, the RHS side. A transpose plus B transpose. What is the value of A transpose? A transpose value of this. This is the A transpose value. 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1 and plus B transpose minus 1 1 2 2 1 3. Then you will get here 3 minus 1 कितना? 3 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2. 4 1 5 1 2 plus 2 0 plus 1 1 and 3 plus 4. So now you check this. According this way, you can check this property of this RHS side. 2 1 1 2 1 1 5 4 4 and 5 4 4. So this is the LHS equal to RHS. Then you can say verification here कि LHS equal to RHS. All values of the, this is the RHS means A dash plus B dash. This is the value of the A dash plus B dash. And this is the value of A plus B का whole transpose. Dash means you can use the T otherwise dash. This is not, both things are the same here. Transpose. This is A transpose and B transpose. This is you can add a transpose sign here. T. Also here T transpose sign. T transpose sign. So both sign you can use here T otherwise dash. Clear? Here also here first here transpose T and T dash. Yes, note down the next part.